Hello everyone, this is Marc again for you, and today we are going to talk about Audemars Piguet, the Royal Oak series. Never again you will see this selection in one place. I don't know any dealer in the world who can show you at the moment every dial available. So let's start directly with the collection and go right into the video. A little bit from the past, in the 70s, the Royal Oak got introduced by Audemars Piguet, designed by Gerard Genta, and was the first sports steel watch available. Right now they have in their collection the model 15500, and it is available in 4 different dials in steel. We have currently available the one in blue. This one is the most precious one, selling at the moment for around 40,000 euros. Also you can choose a grey, a black and a white dial. This is the model which is available at the moment in the boutiques with a long waiting time. The old model, I'm more a fan of the old watch, is the 15400. And in the direct comparison you can see that the date window changed a little bit. I'm a big fan of it. The size is more or less the same, just the thickness is a little bit smaller. So if you're looking for the 15400, we have it also currently available in a white dial. And something more extraordinary I just bought recently is this piece with some stones on the whole case. This one is an iced out model. Also from the size they put some diamonds on the watch, and after all, I'm selling the Audemars Piguet iced out watches almost better than the Datejust watches. And I have to say that the iced out Royal Oak I sell pretty good. I always try to keep one in stock for the clients. If we are going a little bit more back in time and say, okay, what was the model before the 15400? It's the 15300, 39mm watch, also open case back, 39mm with the black dial. And the special thing about this watch, and I don't know, I have this watch for 1 month, why nobody buys this watch. It's selling at the moment for 25,000 euro, but if you take a look at the set, you have everything coming with the watch. The booklet, this one is the service center booklet, but gets lost almost every time. You have of course the box and the original papers. With the watch you get also all the parts which got changed during the recent service, also the bill from the first owner, and the receipt from the service is included in the whole package what comes with the watch. In my opinion, I sold this watch personally in the year 2019, end of 2019, for 18,000 euro. Now it's at 25,000 euro. Mark my words, this one will hit the 30,000 euro. It takes some time, but it will get there. If you are looking for a more sportive watch, then maybe the chronographs are for you. We have here the Kasparov. Why is it called Kasparov? It's a good question. Back in the day, the chess player Kasparov got sponsored by Audemars Piguet, and he was wearing this watch. It's a chronograph with a blue dial. You can also choose the white dial, but of course blue dial is the most interesting one. And if you are looking for this watch and you don't want to buy it on my website, it's not a problem. Just be careful. If you want to keep the condition of this watch, the polish and everything what goes into this is not very easy. You can do a lot wrong. So if you're looking for this watch, always check for the original polish and also the corners and the cuts. The whole case needs to be sharp. Otherwise you cannot get the original condition back again. This is something what I want to tell you. The watch with the most history here on the table is the 15202. This watch got inspired by the original 5402, the first Royal Oak introduced back in the 70s. This is the ultra-thin watch, also with the thin movement. And if we put this watch next to the 15500, you will see that there is a big difference in terms of size, thickness. The diameter of this watch is 39mm, and right now this watch made a jump after, I don't know, almost 2 or 3 years, which stayed the same price. Now it got up and it went over 50,000 euro, and I'm pretty convinced that there is even 60,000 euro is no problem for this watch. If the Nautilus at the moment, of course it's discontinued, but the Nautilus is selling for 90,000 euro, then here I will get my 60,000 euro within the next 6 months, I hope. Yeah. If you say the Royal Oak is nice, but I don't like steel watches, you can also choose gold watches. I have for you now the discontinued model, and who could thought that this price can go up. We have here the 41mm, one of my all-time dream watches when I started the watch business. I really was in love with this 41mm full gold chronograph. Back in the day, 2018, I remember the price was 35,000 euro, and now I sell it for 59. Yeah, it's not easy to find a watch in a good condition, especially in gold. It gets easily scratched, and I have to tell you, Audemars Piguet has the nicest rose gold. Yeah, you cannot compare it to Rolex. Look at this, huh? The copper inside made a really warm gold tone, and yeah, just a magnificent and nice watch. I'm really in love with this one. If you're interested in one of these watches, or maybe you have Audemars Piguet and want to sell it, then please go on the website marcgebauer.com. I hope you enjoyed that video. If so, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And then I see you guys next time.